Hello, this is Novex IT, and today we are continuing on part 2 of osTicket, and we are setting up configuration after installing it from the previous video. So we're back on the Azure portal. If you're already in the VM, that's great. If your virtual machine is turned off, you just select it and just start it. As you can see, mine is already running, so I'm going to go to remote desktop connection. And I'm checking my public IP address, and they are the same. So I'm going to connect. Now I put the password. So I'm going to look at my notepad here. Right here. Copy the password. And just paste it. Okay. And yes. Okay. So going back to the internet browser. So we're gonna open, I have these links. If you were from the previous video, you already have these links. If not, you can just check the video description and you can click on just grab those links and open them in the VM. So I'm gonna open the admin, login, and then I'm also gonna get the user, end user, just have it there. Just paste it. Just, so you know what it look like. Anyway, so we're gonna log in. So should be admin user. So if you look at the notes, so to log in to osTicket, its username is admin user, no space, and then the password is capital P password 1. So password 1 is the password. So I'm just gonna paste it here and then log in. So here we are, and take a look. So you see this is the admin panel. So we're going to configure roles. So we're going to go to the admin panel. So I'm going to click on this. So okay, in the admin panel, so we're going to go to agents. And then from agents, we're going to go to roles right here. Then from roles, we're going to add a new role. I'm going to name ours Supreme Admin. Then we're going to go to permissions. So being the Supreme Admin we are, we're going to have all the permissions. So we're going to just check all the boxes for tickets. Then for tasks, we're also going to get all the permissions. Then for knowledge base, this one as well. Then click add role. Next, we're going to configure the departments. So we're already agent panel, agents, then go to departments right here. So then we're going to click add new department. So we're going to keep ours top level department for the parent. The name, we're going to name ours system admins. And then let's give them hypothetical schedule. So Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then everything else we'll just leave as is and then create department. Next, we're gonna configure our teams. So already admin panel, which we are in, agents, then teams. So click on teams, then click on add new team. So for our team name, we're gonna call our team remote access team. And then we're gonna leave everything as is and then create team. Alright, so let's go click here, see if our team is there. There it is, remote access team. Next, we're going to allow anyone to create tickets. In order to do that, we're going to go to admin panel, which we're already in already. Then go to settings right here. They're going to click users, and users we got to user settings. So we take a look here. It's important that this part right here, registration required, that this box is unchecked, because if you check it, that means you have to register and log in to create a ticket, and that limits anyone. That kind of limits the people who can make tickets. So if you uncheck it, anyone can make tickets without an account. So it's just, this is double checking. So let's say it was checked and we just unchecked it. We just, going to save changes. Then so admin panel, agents, and then agents right here. Okay, then we're going to click add new agent. Alright, so we're going to select, we're going to put agent Mark, last name Doe, email, let's go Mark Doe 301 at gmail.com. Free feel to use this one. This one's a dummy email, so you can feel free to use this as an example. Then for username, you're just gonna put Mark. Then we're gonna go to the access tab. And for a department, we're going to click System Admins. And then we're going to give Mark Supreme Admin access. Then we're going to click, let's see, Teams. And let's add Mark to the remote access team. So give that and then click add. Then we're going to click the create button. So let's go click here for agents. Let's see if it was successful. Yes, there we go. There's Mark. We're going to add another agent. So this time we're going to add May Doe. So we're going to use this email, maydoe71 at gmail.com. And then username is May. Then let's go to access. Then for department, let's put her in the support team. And then for role, we're gonna let's put view only. for Teams. Yeah, let's just leave it as is and then create. Okay, so let's go back to agents. So we're gonna go to Mark right here, click on Mark. We're gonna set up his password. So click set password. So I'm gonna uncheck this box. Then I'm gonna give him a password. I'm just gonna put, so capital P, the lowercase password 1, and put it again. So capital P, then lowercase l, everything else okay. So password 1. Then I'm also gonna uncheck require password change at the end of the next login. So uncheck that. Then click update. So I'm just gonna go back to, minimize this. And then my notepad, I'm gonna go under for osTicket, put username, Mark, password 1. Kind of to keep track of everyone. So let's put user name May. We're also gonna give her password 1 when we set her password. All right. So back to here. So we already set the password, so let's go back to agents and let's do the same thing for May. So let's click on May's profile, set her password. So unclick this box, give her password the same, password 1, password 1, uncheck this box, and then update. So that's fine. So now we're gonna configure our users, which are our customers. So we're already, let's go to the agent panel now. So I'm gonna click right here. Because I'm gonna click users. Then I'm gonna click add user. So click out of this. So first I'm gonna put their name. So I'm gonna put, for our users, put Zach Dove. And then his email is Zach885 at myyahoo.com. And then let's click double check. Everything looks fine, so let's click add. So let's go back to users. Right here, click right here. There you go. Then let's add another user. So we're just gonna add Sarah Doe. So again, you can use these names and emails too. So yeah, it's best to follow along. At myyahoo.com and click add user. So now we're going to configure SLAs, or configure service level agreements. So we're going to go back to the admin panel. So let's click right here. So now we're going to go to manage tab right here. So click on that. I'm going to click SLA right here. Then click add new SLA plan right here. Okay, we're gonna call ours sub A. Grace period is just put, since A is kind of usually sounds kind of urgent, we're gonna put 1 hour. Schedule, let's put it for 24/7, and then click add plan. Then we're gonna add another SLA, so click on this, add new SLA, and call this sav-b. Grace period a bit lower, so put 4 hours. Schedule, we're gonna put 24/7 as well. Then we're gonna click add plan. Then we're gonna add another SLA plan. Let's call this one sav-c. Grace period, let's give it 8 hours. Schedule, let's put it business hours, so Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then add plan. Okay, next we're gonna configure help topics. So we're already in the admin panel. Then we're gonna go to manage, which we are. Then we're gonna go to help topics right here, the first one right here. Then we're gonna click add new help topic. Okay, so we're gonna call this one business critical outage. And for parent, we're gonna put this as, let's see, report a problem, and click add topic. Okay, so we're gonna click back to help topics. Okay, so here it is. So here's the one we just added. We're gonna add another one. We're gonna call this one personal computer issues. Help topic, report a problem. And then add topic. So click back here, help topics. Add another one. And call this one equipment requested. Parent, we're gonna put general inquiry and then add topic. Then we're gonna click help topics back here. Add another help topic. We're gonna call this one password reset. And put this one as report a problem. Add topic. Click here, help topics. Click add new help topic again. We're gonna put this as other. Parent topic would be general inquiry. Then add topic. So all this configuration is gonna help us when we actually simulate what it's like to be in a help desk system. So these like SLAs and help topics would have kind of categorize, and it'll make sense in our next video. So until then.